In some moments of the Earth's history, a mammal had the advantage of using the available mineral resources around it for its benefit. Nowadays, the study of the genesis, deposition, exploration, extraction, and use it was united all to generate knowledge. After all, to better know ourselves, we must know first the planet we live in.
Hello, we are the sixth student chapter from the National University of Colombia at Bogota, founded in 2009 and encouraged to learn, research and outreach economic geology and mineral ore topics. This time we're heading to Cucunuba, a town located 90 kilometers northeast of Bogota, the capital of Colombia, and where our campus is located. 17 kilometers northwest of Cucunuba, the Carboquilla underground mining project is located in the northern highlands of the Eastern Cordillera.
The Carboquilla project area is located in the western flank of the slightly deformed Checalin-Guasaki syncline, a northeast trending structure with northwest virgin thrusts where late marine Cretaceous to transitional siliciclastic Paleogene rocks outcrop. In its nucleus, the Cretaceous Guaduas Formation hosts 10 economically exploited coal mantles that make up most of the local steelmaking coal resources. But first, we'll go into some historical geology. During all the Cretaceous era, 2/3 of Colombian Western Territory was covered by a shallow epicontinental sea before the exhumation of the well-known northeast topographic hikes termed as Cordilleras. The birth of the Central Cordillera gave an end to the Cretaceous Sea and triggered a regional regression registered in Maastrichtian to Paleocene transitional to continental rocks. In the early Paleocene, vast swamps and marshes occupied what is now the project area and were subsequently covered by the Cacho Molas deposits after the fifth exhumation pulse of the Eastern Cordillera. Later in the Miocene, these units were structurally rearranged in a series of northwest virgin white fault-bent faults that, after two more exhumation episodes and later erosion, exposed the Guaduas Formation in the nucleus of the Checalin-Guasaki syncline, which now holds more than 140 megatons high-quality steelmaking coal that will be recovered with underground mining.
The coals that are useful for coke making process has special qualities, and there are a limited quantity of them at the world. Here in Colombia, we have coking coals, especially in the Cundinamarca and Boyacá departments. And here in Cucunuba, there are a lot of mines that produce coking coals. The coking coals needs to have low sulfur content, high swelling index, and in the most of the cases, they have low values of volatile material. The coals that we have here in Cundinamarca and Boyacá departments produce cokes with high strength after reaction and low reactivity index that are the most important.
As the population increases, so does energy and infrastructure needs. And although the world is looking for cleaner energies reducing CO2 emissions, nowadays the 40% of the world's energy is produced by coal, which accounts for nearly 4 gigatons per year.
And the 70% of the 1.8 gigatons of the world annual steel production is reached using cooking coal.
Because of this and more reasons, we love economic geology.